Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the hardware and permissions that let your PC accept an internet source. Turn on Bluetooth or Wi-Fi on the PC and the source device, then enable the source's mobile hotspot or internet sharing. On Windows, open Network Settings and enable network discovery and file and printer sharing. On Mac, open Sharing Preferences and enable internet sharing. Make sure the firewall permits connections. Once done, your PC is ready to search for the shared network from the other device. Now connect through the most reliable available option. For Wi-Fi hotspot, open your PC's Wi-Fi list, pick the SSID, enter the password, and prefer 4 GHz for longer range. For Bluetooth tethering, pair devices first, then enable Bluetooth tethering on the source, accept any pairing codes, and allow internet access. If you have an Ethernet cable, plug it between devices and enable internet sharing on the source so the wired link carries traffic. Make sure IP settings finish by confirming your PC received an IP, gateway, and DNS from the shared source. Use ipconfig or network settings to check. Test by visiting a simple website. If it fails, restart the PC's network adapter or reboot both devices. Toggling the hotspot or Bluetooth off and on often resolves routing issues. Make sure any VPN, proxy, or strict firewall is disabled temporarily because those can block shared connections. If problems persist, switch connection method, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or Ethernet, to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.